Blizzard Legacy Collection by Upper Deck. Ooh, let's check these out. So I didn't even know that this was a thing. I mean, I haven't been following news on my collectible cards because I've been on break, you know? And then I was at the store and I seen this Legacy Collection trading cards of Blizzard. I don't even know what's in there because, like I said, I don't know. Legacy Collection trading cards. Let's see what we get. I mean, this is sick. Like, this is really cool. Ooh, look at that. Score Blizzard Legacy Collection base set. Molten Core parallel cards. So you could get parallel cards in here. This is gonna have like a ton of like artwork. Cool artwork. I mean, if it's as good as like those trailers they drop, you know, that's awesome. All the artwork from these guys. So what do you get in this box? You get 8 cards per pack with 7 packs per box. What it says. I tell you the truth. I don't lie. Ooh, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Scoot you over here, buddy. I don't know what I'm expecting from this, but you know, let's just take a look. Let's get right into it. Oof, I see StarCraft. Oh man, these cards are, ooh, they're shiny. Blizzard, Upper Deck. Look at how shiny that is. Torbjorn. It has a name on there. I know you guys can see that in the corner. Obviously from Overwatch. What's in the back of these? Tells you what it is. Torbjorn. Torbjorn. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay. Those are really nice looking cards. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. You know, it's just for collectibles, but I'm doing World of Warcraft. In the back. Oh, you got games. What? This is funny. This is pretty cool, actually. Let's see. Blackthorn. Yeah. So what do we got here? Blackthorn. Of course, Blizzard games. Dude, that's actually genius. Because imagine if someone else, another big company that does big games, which are like open world games. I'm not saying no names, but if they started doing cards, that'd be cool. Alexstrasza. World of Warcraft. Ooh, a red Gul'dan. A red Gul'dan. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Horde 117. Ah, man, that one damage in the corner. Can't see it from there, but right here. Well, from Hearthstone. Put it there. Okay. Egwin. All right, sorry. I know I'm going slow because this is the first time I'm checking these out. These are like really good artwork. Really great artwork. You got Grommash Hellscream. Grommash Hellscream. World of Warcraft. If you guys seen the trailer's sick. Ooh, StarCraft. What's this? Noya Terra. It's even got that little logo on there. Cool. Wow. I don't know if any of these are numbered or any of that kind of stuff, you know, like, but all right, let's move a little bit faster. Sorry, knocking everything down. So we got a red Rock and Roll Racing. Dude, they're throwing their old school games up in here. Let's do it. Oh, Diva. Man, you got Zagara. Colors, the color schemes on these are nice. The artwork is pretty cool. Man, ooh, is that Diablo? It is Diablo. Look at that. It's a red Diablo out of all of them. Sweet, sweet looking cards. I'll put my reds up here. There you go. Uther, Lightbringer. Man, ooh. Hey, this is from StarCraft, Jim Raynor. And then you got really Shadow Song, Maeve Shadow Song from World of Warcraft. Oh man, Let's see. Okay, try a little quicker. It's hard because these are really nice looking cards. I like the silver foil, but the problem with that is you have to get like the right lighting to like even see names and stuff, you know? What do we got here? Oh, from Hearthstone. Look, like this name right here. We could get it to focus. Mecha Jiraxis. You know, it's pretty hard to read. Let's see, let's go quicker. All right, from Hearthstone also. Arana Starseeker. Yeah. Ooh, okay, we'll keep moving. Whoa, what is this? Ooh, check this out. It's like a nice foily foil by Uther Lightbringer. What's in the back? What's in the back? Molten Core. That's a nice card. Put that over there. Ah! Butterfingers. Entar from World of Warcraft, a red one. Put my reds over there. Oh, StarCraft. It's a nice artwork. And Alaria Windrunner? Yeah, Alaria Windrunner. That's a different style. This is more like comic style. The other ones have been kind of 3D. Some have been, well, not really 3D, but you know, more like this style of work. And then you have Kael'thas Sunstrider. I mean, these are great looking cards. I don't know what you guys think, but I wasn't aware that Blizzard was doing these. You get a loan Upper Deck, but dude, Upper Deck is always trying to catch up on some licenses. Nice job. All right, I'm gonna be quicker. Bam, bam. Look at this work. There we go. Another red storm, storm rage. Nothing on the back. Put my reds. Oh, Diablo. Yeah, that and StarCraft. Goliath on. Man, I haven't played that game in a while. StarCraft. Kind of want to get back into it. Maybe, I don't know. Either that or play the new WoW that's coming out. Looks awesome. Looks awesome. Here we go. This is more. Oh, the Lost Vikings. Wow, cool. Damn, go fast. Here's my red. Monoroth. Put that red over there. And we have Zeratul from StarCraft. It's all cool cards. I mean, that's genius. These guys can make a ton of cards with all the artwork they've done in the past. All right, and all the games they got going on, you know, a bunch. I mean, what do you guys think of this? Of these cards? Oh, what is this? What is that? It's like a piece of Heredric Cube. Adria. You pop it out, to make the cube, but I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Leave that alone. What's my other ones? What do we get for red? Ah, yes. Storm Rage. Storm Rage. Put that over there with my reds. Ooh, look at that artwork for that. Diablo. We're playing Diablo over the break. It was a pretty fun game. I liked it. I don't know why people were hating on it. With my boys. We had a good time. Last pack. See what we get on this one. Art of Samwise cards. Discover Art of Samwise cards. That's what it says. Ooh, World of Warcraft. What do we got here? Retro Arcade Collection. That's what it does look like that. So that's just a bunch of cards from, you know, characters from the games. Ooh, then you got some red ones right here. Hellscream. In red. Cool. But it's great artwork, man. I like it. I'm digging it. And then Gul'dan. I got that one already. Let me know what you guys think though. Like, subscribe, share. Peace.